Welcome to Create Your Own Snow Painting. Having so much fun outside in the snow, sledding, building snowmen, snow angels, and so much more. But you do have to come inside to warm up. So maybe you have some hot chocolate and you warm up a bit. But did you know you can bring some snow fun indoors? With permission, grab a Gladware or Tupperware type of container and start to capture some snow to bring inside. I decided to make a mini snowman with 3 little snowballs and stuck those inside of a dish to bring inside, and then decided I needed to bring some more in to do some further painting. I started to fill another container with snow and patted it down so that it was semi-flat. This will make a great canvas to paint. You can use food coloring and some water to create some paint. I decided to create some different colors using a handful of plastic cups. Reds, yellows, even a green and a blue. Just a few drops of the food coloring and some water. You might even have some watercolor paint that you could use as well. Now with your snow paint, go ahead and use your snowy canvas and have some fun. What will you design? So much fun painting, isn't it? Oh, Miss Wendy. I determined that my snowman needed some eyes, maybe some buttons too. Oh boy. And there you have it. We just had so much fun snow painting. And if you had lots of fun, be sure to subscribe on our Manlius Library YouTube channel for more fun.